Hello guys, in this part we'll learn while loop in C#. Loops can execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is reached. Loops are handy because they save time, reduce errors, and they make code more readable. While loop. The while loop loops through a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. Syntax. The syntax is while keyword and condition and a block of code. This block. So, in this example, the code in the loop will run over and over again as long as a variable is less than 5. So write the example: int I equal 0 and while I is smaller than 5, and a block of code. Console.writeLine I and I plus plus. The I plus plus equal to I equal I plus 1. So Control F5. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 is not smaller than 5, so this code will not run. Note: don't forget to increase the variable used in the condition, otherwise the loop will never end. I remove this line of code and Control F5. The loop will never end. The do-while loop. The do-while loop is a variant of the while loop. This loop will execute the code block once before checking if the condition is true. Then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. So, syntax. The do-while syntax is do keyword and a block of code and while keyword and condition. So in this example we uses the do while loop. The loop will always be executed at the least once even if the condition is false, because the code block is executed before the condition is tested. So write the example: int car equal 0 and do console.writeLine car and car plus plus and while car less than 5. So for beauty I put this code in here. So Control F5. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if I change the condition to car smaller than, change the car value to 1 and change the condition to car smaller than 0, this condition is false, always false. So Control F5 and 1. Before check the condition, this code once executed.